morning. From the aldehydes, ketone and the carboxylic acid. In the past lectures, we discussed about the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Now in this lecture, we discuss about the chemical properties of the carboxylic acid. That is, in this point or in this topic, that is, we discuss about the carboxylic acid. We discuss about the acidic characters of the carboxylic acid. You know very well know that the carboxylic acid is made up of the hydroxyl group and a what? That is carbonyl group. That is, the functional group of carboxylic acid is RC double bond OH. This is the functional group of the what? That is the carboxylic acid, and the strength of the carboxylic acid is depends upon this hydroxyl group as well as on the what? On the alkyl groups which are attached to this carbonyl group. In this, when the aqueous solution of this carboxylic acid that gets the carboxylic acid gets dissociated, that is from this carboxylic acid the hydrogen atoms gets protonated and two forms a carboxylate ions. Two forms what? A carboxylic ion, that is RC double bond OH. This is the aqueous solution. In the aqueous solution, it gets converted to this hydrogen gets that is protonated and to forms a what? A carboxylate group, that is RCOO minus along with the what? That is H3O plus. This is a what? That is the strength of this carboxylic acid is depends upon these carboxylate ions. Then we discuss the structures of these carboxylate ions. That is the resonating structure of these carboxylate ions. That is the first structure of this carboxylate ion is RCOO minus. Okay, this is the carboxylate ions, and these carboxylate ions there is a double bond in it, and also what? That is O minus ions is here. That is RC double bond O minus. Okay, this is the structure of carboxylate ions. When this electron pairs of these O minus ions, that is this electron pairs get shifted to this carbon, and this carbon makes a carbon-carbon double bond, and at the same time this double bond will be broken and this negative charge gets shifted to this oxygen and to form the structures is like this, that is RCO minus, and here is a what? That is O. Then next to that there is a double bond alternate, that is double bond single bond in between this oxygen, carbon and oxygen, and that forms a resonating structure, that is RCO, and RCO there is a what? There is a electronegative charge in between this oxygen, carbon and oxygen. That is once the formation of carbon double bond oxygen, at the same time the double bond will be broken, and next to that double bond will be broken, it forms a oxygen double bond, and at the same time another double bond will be broken. This is the resonating structure of this carboxylate ion. This structure and this structure are the resonating structures of the what? Carboxylate ions. Next, influences of the electronic structure of the carboxylic acid. That is influences. It means what? That is the strength of the carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acid, the strength of the carboxylic acid is depends upon the, that is, it is influences with the what? That is this R group. That is the influences with what? That is this R, that is alkyl group. That is influences what? That is this alkyl group. This alkyl group is influences with this carboxylic acid. It means what? The strength of the carboxylic acid is depends upon this what? That is alkyl group. All the carboxylic acids all the carboxylic acid do not have the same pK values. It means what? The different carboxylic acid has the different strength of the acids. That is the different strength of the pK values. All the carboxylic acid do not have the same pK values, and all the strength or the influences of the carboxylic acid is depends or it is influences with this alkyl group which are present in the carboxylic acid. This is that is the carboxylic acid having the functional group or the structure, resonating structure of the carboxylic acid is like this. That is R C O O. There is a what? That is the electronegative atom is here. That is electronegativity is here, or there is a presence of, this is the resonating structure of what? That is the what? That is carboxylic acid. And this instead of this R, we take it as what? That is CH3. And instead of this CH3, one hydrogen atom, if the one hydrogen atom is replaced by halogens, okay, halogens, that times the electron, this halogen is a higher electronegative than that of what? This carbon, okay, this carbon. That means what? That is electron pairs gets withdrawn from this carbonyl carbon towards what? That is this halogen. This halogen is the higher electronegativity. It means what? That is higher inductive effect of this halogen, that the halogens, and that is why this halogens is bonded to that carboxylic acid, gives the, that is the strength or gives the higher acidic strength to this carboxylic acid. If the halogen is bonded to this carboxylic acid, that times this carboxylic acid, the pK values, that is the strength of this acid is goes on increasing, and the pK value is lower. That is pK value is less, or pK value is less. The electron withdrawing inductive effect of this halogen is greater. That means it withdraws the electron from this carbonyl carbon, and this carbon that is forms a what? That is electronegative atoms, and that forms a what? That is why when the halogen is bonded to this carboxylic acid, that times it is having a what? That is the strength of this carboxylic acid is greater, okay, is greater, and the pK value is less. Next, acidity of aromatic carboxylic acid. The simplest form of the aromatic carboxylic acid is the benzoic acid. Is the what? That is benzoic acid. COOH. This is the simplest form of the aromatic carboxylic acid, and this benzoic acid is stronger than that of acetic acid, that is CH3 C double bond O OH. That is benzoic acid is a greater than that of what? That is acetic acid. In that the the carboxylic group of the aromatic carboxylic acid is bonded to the what? Is bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That is why the benzoic acid is more stronger than that of what? That is the acid. sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the aromatic ring possesses the higher electron inductive effect, withdrawing inductive effect, that is minus I effect. That is sp2 hybridized carbon atom of this aromatic ring having the higher electron withdrawing inductive effect. That is why this benzoic acid, the benzoic acid having a higher pK value than that of acetic acid. That is why this benzoic acid is more stronger than that of what? More stronger than that of what? That is the acetic acid. This is the what? That is the if electron that is electron withdrawing group is bonded to the aromatic ring in the carboxylic acid, that times it increase the what? That is the acidity of that carboxylic acid. While the electron donating group is bonded to the carboxylic acid, that times it gives, or electron donating group is bonded to the carboxylic acid, that times the strength of the carboxylic acid is decreases. I have to repeat that. That is when electron withdrawing group like chlorine, that is Cl, like Cl, and what? That is NO2. This type of group is bonded to that is benzoic acid. That times it increase the strength of that benzoic acid or aromatic carboxylic acid. When the electron donating group such as OCH3 group, such as CH3 group, such as OH group, electron donating group is attached to the benzoic acid, that times the strength of the aromatic carboxylic acid goes on decreasing. This is the what? That is the strength of the aromatic carboxylic acid.